If your drawer's full of napkin soft tea stamped out in whatever factory Uniqlo's ghosting this quarter, you're going to want to stick around. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to look for in a proper t-shirt. These don't shout. They don't need to. If you know cotton, you've already clocked it. If you don't, ask your skin. It'll tell you straight. Cotton Citizen. Yeah. Sounds like a streetwear label from Echo Park. But this is Los Angeles precision. Artisan dyed, American made. And not just assembled, no. Actually made in the US. At their headquarters, don't you know? This classic crewneck here, it's not just soft, mate. It's liquid. 100% Supima cotton. The good stuff. Long staple. Translation? Stronger threads. Smoother hand feel. No pilling, and it holds colour like it owes you money. And this one, see that fade? That's not, oops, left it in the sun. That's intentional, mate. That's art. It's garment dyed, which means the colour settles in where it wants, where it should. No two exactly the same. While I'm at it, like in the close-up treatment, subscribe you twat. Drop a comment, let me know what's more your thing, mate. Now, they've updated the neck binding too. Going forward, it'll be 3/4 of an inch up from half, just enough for a new, modern and elevated look. Bit like dimming the lights at the right hour. Same room, but suddenly everyone looks better. Ugly f***s. Relaxed fit, still hangs just right and doesn't cling. And when it's 32 degrees and you're regretting being born, this'll keep you cool without looking like a gym lad. Listen, not all cotton is created equal. You can buy 5 tees for 40 quid. Wear them once, and they'll start pilling like a sofa from your student flat. Or you can do it right. This is what you wear when you're off duty but not off brand. When you understand that real craftsmanship is louder than any logo. Cold wash and dry. It will last. You don't need 10 of these, just 1 or 2 on rotation like a favourite record. Because being a grown man isn't about owning more stuff. It's about knowing which stuff's worth owning. Comment below if this hit right. Do you want to see more premium basics worth owning? Click here, you mug. I'll see you in the next one.